Hey guys, so if you want to see how I did this really cute 90s inspired Barbie ponytail on my natural hair, stay tuned. Hey guys, so to start off this style, I freshly washed my hair and blow dried it. So I'm going to be using Got to Be Free spray and the Super Hold for the style, as well as my Tangle Teezer and my brush to smooth it down. So the first thing I'm going to do is let my hair out. And originally I wanted to do a part because I thought it would look more natural, like when it came to the swoop bang. But you guys will see, I just kind of brushed everything up at the end of the day. So right now you see me doing the part, but that's not going to matter with the style. Next up, I'm combing all my hair forward, and this is how I'm going to determine, how high I want my ponytail. But you'll also see that I'm also going to hold my hair in just like a mock ponytail, and I'm going to use the bangs to see if, if I need to move it backwards more or forwards more. Just testing it out before I actually add the jam and the free spray. Before I set it, I like to make sure that it's in the spot that I want it and how I want it to look. So for the bang, I'm using Free Tress Equal Edgy Side Bang. And so, as I stated before, you're just going to see me kind of measure out how far back, if that's where I like it. And that ended up being a good spot. So I'm going to put the bang away and then start to molding my hair. Starting with the jam, I'm just going to take a big amount and rub it in my hands and then just start to smooth it. I find this is easier than leaving my hair out and then going section by section. I don't like putting too much product on my hair just because of the buildup. So like I said, I find this way a lot easier and with less product. So after I'm satisfied with the amount of jam, I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teezer. And this is just going to help me smooth my hair down some more before I use my smoothing brush. But the Tangle Teezer is bomb. I recommend it. If you don't have one, get some. So I'm just going to continue to go in with the jam. The reason why I want to use jam is because I thought it wouldn't revert my hair after blow drying. As you can see, it looks a little bit reverted, but not as much as if I had used gel. I really didn't want to use gel for this style. So once I feel like it's getting nice and smooth, I'm going to go in with my bristle brush and just smooth it some more. Just trying to get the waves out as much as possible. And then I'm going to put my hair into a tight ponytail. And y'all, you know the struggle, especially if you have thick natural hair. Like, your arms start burning. Like, y'all gonna see my arms were burning. Trying to put my hair in a ponytail. Like, the struggle is real, y'all. The struggle is real. And now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to moisturize my hair. You can moisturize your hair with whatever you want. I'm using my Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk, as well as some shea butter, just to make sure, the part that's being left out or braided is still moisturized. It's important for natural hair. So after I do that, I'm just going to put it into 2 braids. I didn't want to do 1 braid because I thought it would be too thick and it'll come out super lumpy. So that's why I divided it into 2 braids. I'm done braiding, I'm just going to wrap them around each other to make a little bun, and I'm also going to secure it with a rubber band. So once that's done, I'm going to lay my edges. I'm going in with Eben's Edge Tamer, and this is really good edge control, y'all. It's like my favorite. The only thing, if you use too much, it will leave a white residue, but it does secure those edges. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay those down, and just a side note, I had to go back and do it the next day just because it didn't hold down, but y'all see that later on in the video. So I'm just gonna add more jam around my hair before I let it set overnight. So this style can be done all in one day, but for me, I just wanted to, let everything set overnight and then just add the ponytail in the morning because this was for a wedding and I wanted the ponytail to be fresh. I didn't want to sleep with the ponytail overnight. So like I said, I'm just smoothing it, and then I'm going to spray with the Got To Be Free spray as well. So once that's done, I'm just going to wrap my edges with my edge scarf, and then I am going to blow dry. So I thought the blow drying would help with the jam. Big mistake, y'all. The blow dryer actually caused my hair to get frizzy. So I feel like the jam doesn't go well with blow drying. That's more of a gel thing. But after I did that, I decided to, wrap my hair. I didn't blow dry for long because once I noticed that my hair was starting to get frizzy, I stopped it. And I was like, okay, let me just wrap my hair and go to sleep. And you guys will see what happened the next day. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. So this morning, like when I checked my hair, it did not set. Like it got frizzy, and basically the jam was not doing it for me. So I just went back in. I added some Eco Styler gel to my hair, and I did my edges with the Even Edge Control. I did this little side thingy going on, and then I sprayed it with the Got To Be Free spray. So now I'm just letting it set. So I'm just going to leave it like this for like about an hour, and then I'm going to do my makeup, and then we'll see how this whole thing comes out, because I already put the gel on my hair, so there's no turning back now. So we're gonna rock it out however it goes. Alright guys. Okay, so this is after my makeup was done, and don't you love the look, y'all? Like, yo, that's so cute. Okay, so as you can see, my hair did lay, especially my edges, but unfortunately, the gel did revert my hair, so you could see some waves. But at that point, I was like, you know what? We just gonna have to rock it how we rock it. So I'm going in with some hair that I got from Amazon. I will put the name down in the description box below. It was supposed to be kinky straight, but it came looking more like, some silky hair. But at that point, there was nothing I could do about it, so I just had to go with the flow. As well as the bangs. I thought it was more of a kinky straight texture, but that was neither. But fortunately, the ponytail and the bangs covered a majority of my hair, so you couldn't really see the difference in the texture as much. Like if you were to see my hair compared with the ponytail, then you would know like, oh man, this does not match. But yeah, so I just secured the ponytail, had 2 combs and a drawstring, and I'm just taking a little bit of the hair, and I'm adding the free spray and just wrapping it around the base to cover up, you know, the combs and everything and the drawstring. So that's what it looks like once I secure it with an extra pin. And you could actually leave the hair like that if you don't want the bangs, but you know, I decided to keep it that way. And I was just trying to brush it out to see if it'll help it get a little bit kinkier in the texture, but you know, obviously wasn't working. So I'm going in now with the bang, just brushing it out a little, and then trying to see how I could put it on. So the bang has 3 adjustable clips, I believe, or combs. I don't know the name of it, but it has 3, so it really gets secure. So you put the top one first, and then you adjust it with the other 2 on the side. So the bang is super secure. Like, it does not go anywhere, y'all. And I love that. And it really did not take long to clip it in, and I'm just gonna brush it out, and that's how the style looks. For some people, I know they like their swoop bang to, you know, be secured. So if you want, you could pin it to the side if you don't want it out. But that's what I'm gonna do also. But you know, you could also leave it like that, just as cute. So next up, I'm going in with some pins that I got from Amazon just to match. I was trying to go for a Barbie look, so I thought I would get some pearls. And so that's how it looks, and I took the rest behind the ponytail. And this is the final look, y'all. Isn't it super cute? Like, oh, I love this style so much. I felt so cute. I felt like a Barbie. Like, and that's that. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.